There is this one ingredient that every bar has to have. It is part of so many different classic cocktails, and it even predates the word cocktail itself. Follow me. I'm talking about the Angostura Bitters, but today we are going to present you the new family member, the Angostura Cocoa Bitters. After the year of 2007, when the House of Angostura launched their second bitter, and that was the Orange Bitters, now it's 2020 and it's time for their third product, Cocoa Bitters. You might ask yourself, why Cocoa Bitters? That's the question I asked myself, and then I did a small research and found out that Trinidad is actually one of the biggest cocoa producers in the world. And then I've asked my contact at Angostura, and he actually confirmed that the new product is connected to the cocoa heritage of Trinidad and Tobago. I was super excited to get my hands on the cocoa bitter because it's actually not officially on sale yet. It's gonna be launched here in Germany on the 28th of September. So yeah, I was super excited to get this cute purple looking bottle in my hands and got to try it in some classic drinks. What is unique about this cocoa bitter is that they actually use quite a lot of the botanicals that are used in the classical Angostura bitters. So you can easily just substitute the Angostura bitter with this Angostura Cocoa Bitters, get these nice herbal notes plus the cocoa on the top. When I wanted to make a cocktail using the cocoa bitter, I also wanted to connect this product with some other local products from Trinidad. And what better way than to use a local rum which is produced by the same distillery of House of Angostura. So I picked out this beautiful 5-year-old blended rum with notes of vanilla and coconut, and this is going to match perfectly with our cocoa bitter today. To make our drink, we're gonna need a double old-fashioned glass or any glass that you like. So no shaking required, we're just gonna add all of our ingredients into the glass. Then gonna mix up everything using a swizzle stick or a spoon if you don't have one, and then the drink is pretty much done. So to start, we're gonna add 8 mint leaves straight into our glass. The next ingredient is going to be demerara syrup. I suggest adding 8 milliliters, but you guys can adjust it to your personal taste, either decrease or increase the sweetness of your cocktail. Next step would be to gently, very gently, just press down the mint leaves to extract some of the essential oils to get a bit more of this fresh minty aroma. Just a couple of presses and that's it, that should be enough. And now it's time for the Angostura family to come into our glass, so we're gonna add 5 dashes of cocoa bitters. Now it's time for our Angostura 5 years. We're gonna add 60 milliliters straight into our glass. Now that we have our drink ready, let's take our sip. Very delicious and refreshing. You can definitely get the cocoa, and it combines greatly with the fresh mint. And of course the Angostura 5 years is very present. You can get those notes of the rum. It's also very dry. Same goes for the Angostura Cocoa Bitters. That's why we added a touch of sweetness. For me, it's not too sweet. Tony tried it before and decided to put less sugar in his Trinidad Julep. So you can, as I said before, always readjust the sweetness. And that's it for today. Now we're gonna go and enjoy some Trinidad Juleps. If you liked the video, then give us a like and make sure to subscribe. See you next time. There is this one ingredient that every bar has to have. Sorry, I just made this weird movement. Sorry, too much coffee. You can signify the... Signify? What signify?